Good afternoon to all. In this class, we will start the next chapter, that is amines. Okay, this chapter consisting of 5 marks, means it carries 5 marks question for your annual exam. Okay, in this chapter, we will discuss what is mean by amines. What is mean by amines? Amines means, okay, amines constitute an important class of organic compound. Means amines constitute an important class of organic compounds derived by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia molecule by alkyl or aryl groups. Means amines constitute an important class of organic compounds derived by replacing one or more hydrogens. Means it can be replaced by hydrogen atoms. One or more hydrogen atoms can be replaced of ammonia, okay, ammonia molecule by alkyl or aryl groups. Okay, definition of amines. The definition of amines is amines definition. Okay, amines are derivatives of ammonia. These are the derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl or aryl. Alkyl means aliphatic compounds, aryl means aromatic compounds. Alkyl or aryl groups. The general formula is RNH2. NH3 is replaced by 1, means RNH2. Ammonia is replaced by 1 hydrogen atoms by alkyl or aryl groups, where R is an alkyl or aryl groups. Okay, this is the general formula, RNH2. The occurrence of aliphate means amines. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms can be replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. The general formula of amines is RNH2. If asked for one more question, write the general formula for amines is RNH2, where R is alkyl or aryl groups. Then occurrence in nature. Okay, amines naturally occurring like in proteins also containing amino acids, amino compounds. Naturally they are occurring proteins, vitamins, alkaloids and hormones. Okay, they are naturally proteins, vitamins, alkaloids and hormones. Synthetically means artificially. Synthetically including polymers. You already know the meaning of polymers, dyestuffs, okay, and drugs. You already know the meaning of drugs also. Drugs and biological cells, okay, means biological cells. Then some active means biologically active compounds. Biological cells means the biologically active compounds, namely the adenine and epinephrine. Okay, adenine and epinephrine, both containing a secondary amino group. We will discuss the what is the primary, secondary, tertiary next class. Okay, the both adrenaline and epinephrine, both containing secondary amino group, are used to increase the blood pressure. Okay, Novocaine is a synthetic amino compound. Means synthetic means artificial, man-made. Synthetic amino compound. It is used as anesthetic. Okay, it is used as anesthetic in dentist. They are used anesthetic in dentist with Novocaine. Okay, then Benadryl. Benadryl is also well known as antihistamines. What is meant by antihistamines? Antihistamines are the drugs. Antihistamines are the drugs which treat for the allergic purposes. If you getting allergic purpose, they will give antihistamines. Okay, antihistamines. Next, some quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactants. Means in this case, what happens? See, Novocaine, it is a synthetic amino compound. Naturally, it is not occurring naturally. Novocaine, it is used as anesthetic agent in dentistry. Okay. Next one is Benadryl. Benadryl is also well known as antihistamine drug, and it contains tertiary amino acids, tertiary amino group. Okay. We will discuss the primary, secondary, quaternary while the classification and naming of amines. Okay. What is mean by antihistamines? Antihistamines means these are the drugs that are they used for the allergic purposes. Next, quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactants. What is surfactants? Surfactants are the compounds. They are act as like detergents, means cleansing agents. Okay, some foaming agents like that. Surfactants. Quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactants. Tertiary ammonium group act as Benadryl, means it is used as antihistamines, and synthetic amino group are used as anesthetic in dentistry. Okay, diazonium salts. Next one is diazonium salts are intermediators. They are the intermediators. Okay, it is used in the preparation of variety of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds, you already know which obeys the Huckel's rule. And some diazonium salts are used intermediators in the preparation of variety of aromatic compounds, including dyes means dyes, coloring agents. Okay, including dyes, coloring agent. So in this topic we will discuss some importance of diazonium salts and about amines only. So we will next we will start the IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature of amines. We will make 3 columns. The first column is amines, means these are the amines, and second column is common names, and third one is IUPAC names. Okay, IUPAC name you already know in first PUC, the expansion of IUPAC. We will discuss one by one. What is this common name? It having 2 carbon atoms. So ethyl amine is a common name. Ethyl amine. Okay. Then what about this IUPAC name? Means it having 2 carbons, so it is ethane. In IUPAC it is ethane because 2 carbons are there. Ethane. And NH2 group is there, so ethane amine. Its name is ethane amine. And next this one, it having 3 means prop. 3 carbons are there. Propyl, because this is straight chains are there, means there is no branching. So we can name it as N propyl. Okay, N propyl amine. N propyl. N means because it's straight chain. So N propyl amine. What about this IUPAC name? Okay, 3 carbons are there, so it is 1 means 1, you can name the function group is here. So 1, 2, 3. So what happens? Okay, propane 1 amine. Its IUPAC name is propane 1 amine. And next this one. This common name is isopropyl amine. 3 carbons are there. Iso means the carbon chain containing same groups, same methyl groups. So it is iso. 3 carbons are there. Isopropyl. Okay, NH2 means amine. Isopropyl amine. What about this IUPAC name? Okay, you can name from, okay, 1, 2, 3 are this side or this side. So what happens? 1, 2, 3. Iso. Okay. Propane. Okay, 2 amines. Propane 2 amine. Second amine means second position amine group is there. So propane 2 amine. Next one is this one. What is this common name? Okay, this common name is this side 2 carbons are there. This side 1 carbon is there. So ethyl methyl amine. Common name is ethyl. 2 carbons this side, 1 carbon this side. So this side 2 carbons. So ethyl and methyl. Ethyl methyl amine. Okay. What about IUPAC name? Amine means N. Okay, N. Okay, N. This side is methyl is there, so you can take this one is N methyl. Okay, only one group is there, so N methyl. Okay, 2 carbons this side, so N methyl ethane. Next one is NH amine. Why we named as N? Because amino group is there, so because of this reason. Okay, and the next one is this one. What is this name? 1, 2, 3. Okay, common name is 3 methyl groups are there, so trimethyl amine. It is the common name. What about IUPAC name? The IUPAC name is N because 2 groups are there, so NN dimethyl. Okay, NN dimethyl are there. Okay, 1 and dimethyl are there. Methane, you can write as N dimethyl methane. You can take is one chain this side. If you name this, okay, this carbon NN dimethyl methane. What about this one? Okay, the common name is N is there, so it containing 2 ethyl groups are there. It contains 2 ethyl groups. NN diethyl. Common name NN diethyl. Okay, diethyl are there. And this side 1, 2, 3 are there. So propyl. Okay, propyl. 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 Amine group is there. So N amine. N means amine. What about this IUPAC name? The IUPAC name is NN diethyl. Okay, propane 1 amine. Propane 1 amine. You can name from this one 1 amine. Okay, this is about the What about this common name? Okay, allylic, because this group is allylic group, CH and CH2. This is allylic group, so this is allylic amine, because this is allylic group, allylic amine. Okay, allyl amine. What about this IUPAC name? You can name from this 1, 2, 3, because the first preference, which you give first preference while naming, we have to give the preference, you know, in the first PVC. So double bond and NH2 is there, so we will give first priority to this NH2 group. So I named from this side 1, 2, 3. What happens? The IUPAC name is probe. Okay, second portion is there 2 yin. Okay, 1 amine. You can 1 amine. This is the IUPAC name. And what about this one? NH3 CH 6 times and NH2. Sorry, NH2 it is NH2 CH 6 times NH2. What is this common name is? The common name is hexamethylene. Hexamethylene. Okay, hexamethylene diamine. Hexamethylene diamine. What about this IUPAC name? Okay, the IUPAC name is hexane 1 and 6. 1, 6. Okay, while naming 1, 6 diamine. Means you can write in full form. CH2 6 times you write it as, you can name 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, then what happens? You can name this hexane 1, 6. You can name it as CH2 6 times in between NH2 groups. So it is hexane, means 6 carbons are there. Hexane 1, 6 diamine. Okay, next one is this common name is aniline. What about the IUPAC name? The IUPAC name is same. Okay, benzene amine. This is benzene group, benzene amine. See, in this case, the benzene group containing CH3 and NH2 group. What is this common name? The common name is, you can take this position is ortho, because functional group is there. Next group you can name it as ortho, meta, para. It is ortho. This is meta. This is para, because the functional group is here. Then what happens? This common name is orthotoluene. What about IUPAC name? The IUPAC name is, you can name 1, 2. Okay, sorry, you can name from this one. CH3 group is there. 1, 2. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, 2-aminotoluene. And this NH2 group is there, and Br is there. What is this? Ortho, meta, para. So para P bromo aniline group is there. So P bromo aniline. What about the IUPAC name? The IUPAC name is, okay, you can name from this one. 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bromo aniline. Okay, the priority in between, this priority is different. See, okay, in functional group naming, priority will be matters. So naming is 2-aminotoluene, and this one is NCH3 twice. What is the common name? NN. Common name is NN. Di, because dimethyl group are the dimethyl aniline. It is the common name. Aniline. What about IUPAC name? The IUPAC name is NN again. NN dimethyl dimethyl benzenamine or benzenamine. Okay, benzenamine. This is about the nomenclature of amino acids, sorry, amines.